Hi, if you're looking for a speaker for any event or cause that may align with my values, that speaker is me. Most people love my accent. Few need an extra time to catch up with me and ask me to repeat something on occasions. If that is the case, the ones that love my accent will love it even more when that happens. And the ones that are catching with me at their own pace will fall in love with me later. So that is not a big deal. I know that the message is very important, but even more important is who is delivering the message and how that person does it. And I know how to make myself understood. That is why I'm telling that for you to get your message or my message across, your best option will be me. So give me a call. Give me a call and let me know what you want to tell your audience, and they will be pleased and happy with me. Give me a try and you will see. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share these words with you.